Welcome, friends, to the Smart Kids Club. Let's learn and play, we'll have some fun today. Sing and dance, let's explore, let's go!
Hello, my little friend. In front of you now are sea creatures. Please show me where you see an octopus. You are right. That is an octopus.
Hello! I am a playful octopus. I have 8 busy tentacles. I love to dance and play all day.
And now, shall we try to find a stingray? Correct. Well done.
Hi, I am a happy stingray. I live in the warm, blue ocean. I love to glide and swim all day.
Now all that's left is to find a jellyfish. Come on, point with your finger. That's right. That is a cute jellyfish.
Hello! I'm a friendly jellyfish. I flow through the sea without a brain or a heart. I'm made of water and glow so bright. Let's explore together.
Thank you so much for watching today. You did such a wonderful job, hooray! See you in the next video, bye-bye!